If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that sub button for more amazing content. Now, let's jump straight into the video. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Bothina1, bringing you guys yet another YouTube video. And it seems as if every area of tech is dipping its toes into artificial intelligence. From phones to washing machines, it's pretty hard to find any upcoming device that does not have sort of AI-powered features. However, in the gaming industry, it's not as big, but could change games in the next few years as developers embrace them. One of the things AI can improve is visual quality. We could see game environments and game characters become more realistic and natural than ever before. Tim Sweeney from Unreal Engine said, in quotes, "I think there's a lot that can be gained from incorporating more advanced and modern forms of AI, especially in the areas where we can use a huge amount of data to have algorithms figure out how humans act in the real world and extrapolate that in a game world. The next way AI can help games is real-world ramifications. For example, AI voices such as Bixby, Alexa, Cortana, Siri, these assists support interactive games such as Telltale narratives, adventure and interactive trivia games. Some of these assistants are being worked into some console games such as Destiny 2. Destiny 2 has its own Alexa app, and this allows for players to be able to easily access certain game features without having to go through various menus. Last but not least is personalized play. If AI was able to collect data on players and understand preferred style of play, we might end up with game worlds that are more reactive to individual players in game. With the help of AI, we could see MMORPGs that make players in the direction of quest and more intellectual NPCs that makes it more natural to converse with characters. So basically with having more AIs, it will allow for, people to have better experiences in open world games, because a lot of times open world games typically tend to be more creative. You can create a lot of stuff that you want. So since you can do more creative things, it'll make the game experience more better. Or how when you talk to a character, sometimes they only have 3 things that they're able to say. Okay, well, instead of them having those 3 things that they're able to say, maybe you can actually type them text and they have a million things that they can say back. So it'll make the game a little bit more realistic. It'll make the game more fun, and overall it'll be more enjoyable for the person buying it, and playing it. So basically, from the sounds of it, AI can really help the quality of video games, and that's the biggest thing. Is not saying that video games are bad, not saying that they're trash, but the whole point of progressing throughout life is you want to make things better. You want to take what you have and you want to make it better, and that's what video games need to do. And they need to use more AIs in general, especially for games that are open world. Open world are great because obviously you have the ability to talk to other people, but I think it would also be better for them to change some of the AIs, because a lot of time I think open world games tend to rely on people interacting with one another, and people meaning someone from the next state, or someone else is in this in the world that you're playing in. You talk to them, but sometimes it's good to have the computers be able to be a little bit more lifelike and not just say the same 2 or 3 lines. So there you guys have it. AI is basically going to transforming video games. In a sense, and in the future, I think it's just going to get better. They're going to learn more and more, and before you know it, video games are going to seem basically like real life. They're going to get even closer and closer to real life. So as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll talk to you later. Peace, Fan Army.